Hello everyone, this is Danny Osco from Maine Hosting Solutions, here to show you how to log into cPanel where you manage all of the aspects of your hosting account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to mainhost.com, and at the top right hand corner of the page you're going to see a little login link there. Click that login link, and when you first signed up you should have been provided with your email address that you signed up with and a login password. So here we're going to log into my account. I have it remembered on my computer here. If you forgot your password, simply click the Forgot Password link, fill in your email address, and we'll email you a reset link for your password. So I'm going to click Login here. I'll log into my account. Okay, so you'll see here, this is the home page of the client area for your account. Now you'll see I have 18 services here. You can click right here to see all of your services. You can also go here to My Services. So we'll click this icon to view all of the services I have under my account. And you can see we've got a whole bunch of stuff here. But if I scroll down, I have a test account, A1 test account. You can click anywhere in this light blue bar, click the active button, and this will bring you to all of the details for that specific hosting account. We can view the website, we can view the who is information, which will show you where the domain name is pointed to our servers. It'll show you disk usage, the bandwidth usage on your account for the month, any add-ons. You can actually add some things to your package right here. There's some quick shortcuts into cPanel right here, like configuring your email accounts and the file manager. If we scroll down, we'll see here's your cPanel and SFTP login information. So the domain name, your username, and your password. Now if you want to configure an FTP account, just make sure that you use port 2900. You can also change your cPanel and SFTP password right here by typing in a new password, confirm it here, hit save, and that'll change your password for you. But if you scroll back up to the top of the page, the easiest way to log into cPanel is right here under Actions. You can also log into your webmail, and if you click here change password, it just brings you to the bottom of the page. So we'll click log into cPanel, and this is automatically going to log me into the cPanel for that a1testaccount.com I have. So here you'll see all the tools that you can use to manage your account, the file manager, you can view your disk usage, you can create your own backups, even though we back up your site every day for 90 days. But if we scroll down, there's information about your domains and aliases, all kinds of things to manage email accounts, website metrics. Here's your AW stats if you want to check some raw stats for your website, security features, software, the Softaculous apps installer where you can install WordPress. Here's Softaculous again, it shows you the most common installations. So that's it. That's how to log into cPanel. The first thing you do, visit mainhost.com, click the login at the top, log into your account, click the forgot password if you forgot your password. Then once you're in your account, go to my settings in there, my account, sorry, and click on the account you want to manage and click the log in to cPanel, and that will bring you right here. Well, that's it. Thank you.